today's game, I filled up a storage bin partially with water, and then we each have a little toy boat. The object is to sink the other person's boat, and we do that by putting water from the bin into the boat, but only one person gets to do that at a time. The other person will be rolling a die to try and see if they can get a 5 or a 6. As soon as they do, we switch positions. You ready?
Yes.
All right, on your mark. Get set, go! 6. Ooh, you got a good amount in there. I'm gonna have to catch up really
5.
fast. Oh! 6. Oh, first try, that was a good one.
6.
Whoa, you're moving. Uh-oh, my boat is looking like it is in massive trouble. Come on, 6. Oh no!
No!
I win, but basically he sunk my ship. You totally won.
I sunk your battleship.
You sunk my battleship. All right, nice job. Cameron is our big winner. If you enjoyed this, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
The SS, I win. And the SS, I win too.
That's right.